Hi there, this is Christine. This is the second alternate card of the June Paper Pumpkin, second video for the second card. So what we're making is this one here. This is the hand-penned designer series paper, which is retired, but this beautiful piece of lavender really made me think of this paper, and I still had enough left to share with you all, so that's what I did. So in your envelope, you have got a piece of thick white, which measures 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2. I'm just going to fold that and get it right out of the way. If you got your kit in the mail, it's already folded for you. Then we have the hand-penned designer series paper. This is 5 1/4 by 4, so that is going to be, just stuck right on there. Then we've got this piece. You've either got the pink with the dots, or you've got this yellow. I've cut that out with the what's it called? Scalloped contour dies. Yes. So the white one is for the top, and the yellow or pink, which might actually be a light Calypso coral, is for the inside. I felt that it was light enough that you could write on it. So, and it's just something a little bit different and super pretty. So, I'm just going to put 4 tiny glue dots here in the corners. Don't need a ton on this. Just make sure you're avoiding, whenever there is stitching on a die, that you're not putting liquid glue in the stitching, because it'll bleed through, and you don't want to, you don't want to glue your card shut, unless you want to trick somebody, but that's not usually why we do these things. All right, so I'm just going to put this layer on as well, get it out of the way. This was such pretty paper, and the kind of market country feel to this month's kit really made me think of it. So I thought, I wonder if I have enough, and I did. So I'm just centering that on. Again, I like to use my liquid glue to do this because it allows me to move things if I need to before it is set. All right, and then we get to our label. I don't know if I mentioned, you need to get one of the lavender pieces from the kit. We've got loads of leftover pieces this month, which is awesome. So just pull one of those out. And our hello. This is such a fun font. I hope you can't hear my son. I don't know what he's doing, but it's excessively loud. Anyway, welcome to summer holidays. Only 2 months of this. All right, so I am stamping just a little bit more to the right side of my label. There we go. And just cleaning that off. All right, so you'll notice on this one, I did not put any kind of bow or use my string, but you can, and I'm going to for this one. I am going to have to rewrap this thread. But first I'm going to put I'm not going to rewrap it with you here, don't worry. Who's got that kind of time? All right, so I am going to find more glue dots. What did I do with them? I've lost my glue dots. All right, we'll come up with another little cheat. Sorry, I don't know where I put those. So I'm using double-sided tape, the Terran tape. I'm going to put it behind my flowers. And I do want to have enough for a bow, so I'm going to leave an end. But I'm just going to wrap this around a couple times, and I'm sticking it to the tape and behind to get it to stay put. I probably should have put the tape a little bit lower to have it on the stem, but anyway. All right, so I've connected the bits on the back. It's not beautiful at all, but it doesn't need to be because no one needs to see it. And I'm just going to tie a bow on the front. The other thing you could do is just make a little bow, put a glue dot, stick it down. Would also look lovely. I just wanted to be a little bit fancy. There we go. So we'll just trim that. I'm going to use dimensionals to put this on here. Oops. So it will stick up the top, so you don't need a lot, just two will do nicely. And I'm going to use dimensionals to put this on the front too, but I'm going to be careful not to put like double dimensionals. So I'm going to make sure that where I'm sticking them is going to not be where there are already some on the top. That way, if you mail it, it'll just squish flat in the post. And it just gives it a little more dimension. It's amazing that they've called those that. There we go. So I hope you like my little alternates for this month. I'm going to fuss with that all night if I don't stop. All right, so this is card number 2. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I'm really looking forward to the nautical theme coming for the July kit. My class for that one is going to be the last Thursday of July, which I don't remember the date right now. I created the event in Facebook though, if you have any questions, and or just let me know. So thanks for watching.